What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon. Put in work, Burke. And today, we're talking about royalty exchange. What is it and how to get paid in your sleep? Let's go.
To say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Okay, before we get started, you know the deal, man. You watched every video. You know exactly what I'm about to say, all right? Subscribe to the channel. Share this video, all right? Because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you, and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand, royalty exchange. What is it and how to get paid in your sleep while you snoozing? You know, sleepy. But nah, seriously. All right. Every time you hear about getting paid, right, in your sleep, you usually think about investing in assets like real estate, dividend-paying stocks, but never talk about investing in music royalties. Why is that? Listen, man, music royalties are one of the most underrated forms of passive income out there, right? Definitely. And I guess because it used to be just for the music artists and the record label, right? Just for them, for that specific people, right? Those people over there, right? But you, the regular Joe, can make passive income off of other people's talents and abilities. These royalties are basically the way the artist gets paid through its publishing company or label. But now, through royalty exchange, you can go on their website and invest in royalties and make passive income like the big record labels do. You know what I'm saying? Sit back and just relax and get that check, right? See, royalties let you earn money while you sleep. They are cut off the top, basically paid regularly, that puts you first in line to receive the cash flows they generate. Now, keep in mind, when you sign up to invest on royalty exchange, you are literally signing up to have access to a marketplace where artists or labels are putting up an offering for you to invest in. It's a marketplace for investments, and they are even letting you invest in NFTs, right? And if you want to learn more about royalty exchange, check out their website, okay? I'm going to put a link in below to my blog, and you can get the link to royalty exchange there, okay? Because I have exclusive access to certain investments and certain deals that, nobody else got. So you might want to go through the blog. I mean, you can do your own research on Google, but you might want to go through my blog if you know what I'm saying. Also, if you want to build your own business but lack the funding, but you have the drive to do it, check out the wealthbuilders.com/wealthbuilders-funding, okay, to learn how to get started with funding of your business, okay? Now, thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, wealth builder himself, Devon Put in Work Burke, signing off for Royalty Exchange Review. What is it and how to get paid in your sleep? Do remember, wealth builders, we make more and we save more and we build more.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.